here's the seed here, and it's got subdivision levels. It's at the lowest, so we're going to be able to use the UV master at the lowest subdivision level. Before we do this, we're going to duplicate this. Then we're on this top one here, subtool, Z plugin, UV master, and when we unwrap this, it's going to create new UVs. So we're going to unwrap that and give it a second. And give it another second. Alright, now we want to, this is our new UVs here, and the bottom one here is the different UVs. And we want to transfer the detail and the poly paint. Well, what we need to do is set both of these to all high. We can do this by going to all high. Now I'm going to go an extra step here, is uncheck this little icon here. That's going to remove the poly paint. You don't have to do that. We're going to turn on solo just to prove this does not have any poly paint information to it. Then what I want to do is to project all. It's going to project the detail and the poly paint. So we're going to project all and give it a second. And there's our poly paint and our detail. Alright. We don't need this one here. I don't need to delete it, but I'm just going to delete it for right now anyway. Then we need to go up to our lowest subdivision level. We're going to come down here to displacement map. So we'll come way down here and create displacement map. Then we got the intensity slider here, so we can move it and increase our displacement map. So let me repeat the process here. So we'll load this back up, and basically what we'll do is we'll go ahead and duplicate this. Since it's at the lowest subdivision level, Z plugin, unwrap, and give it a second. Alright, and I'm not going to delete anything, and I'm just going to go another situation and leave everything here, and we're going to set everything to all high, project all, and I'm going to go ahead and either move this to the lowest subdivision or select all low. Create displacement map. And here's our intensity slider. And when I turn on solo, that's the only tool that is active, so we know this is the one we're working with the poly paint.